Hey guys, hey, check out our new toy. This is the dual crown inverted fork for the Fiido, and this will be installed onto kabam right there. Okay, so in this video we're going to teach you how to install this dual crown fork into the frame, and it's pretty easy to install as long as you have the right tools. And literally the only tool you will need is a hex 6, right? A size 6 Allen key.
You gotta assemble, you gotta fit this in. This is a flat washer as compared to the other one. Okay, put it all the way in. It'll be tight here, just press it down, make sure it sits nicely. Okay, once that's that, one more thing to take note is that take a size 6 Allen key, just tighten this up, and of course the other side, okay, so that it won't move up and down. It's for your ease of installation. Then you can slot it in with the help of a friend, of course, all the way in. Now we come to the top. There's another more concave washer that looks like this. Okay, turn it around, flat side up, all the way in, and try your best to squeeze it to the middle, like this. And then, lastly, the last part of your bearing process would be the bearing cap itself. This will be friction fit as such, all the way in.
So you really got to press it in.
Yes, you have to press it in. From here, as you can see, it's flush, it's straight.
So it's got to be flushed.
It has to be flush, it has to be straight.
So there cannot be any gaps.
Correct.
So
because this acts as also a support for your next piece of...
do you need to mallet in?
No, not really.
Okay.
Yeah, this part I have to.
Okay.
So the top crown goes as such. I will use a mallet to hit it in. Now this part of the process, okay, let me explain in detail in a while after I tighten the middle part. Size 6 Allen key. Okay, notice I did not tighten this yet. Okay, for some users this is basically your preference, right? If you want it lower, which means this goes higher, you have to loosen the bottom neck, these two, the bottom base. Or if you want it to be all the way high, which means this is as such, just tighten this, and yeah.
Okay.
So for this part, okay, there is then again preference. If let's say this is a bit too short for you, you can always purchase our stem extenders. If not, you can always go ahead and just use a bicycle stem, mount it on top, all the way in, and of course don't forget a star nut to secure everything in.
Okay, so once this has been fitted on tight, okay, you just want to check, kind of move it back and forth, right? Make sure there's no free play anywhere in the bottom or the top. Okay, you just gotta make sure there's no free play there. Okay, and then what do you do with the rest? So for the rest here, there are many options you can do. The first option, right, is to get one of our this top crown riser adapter, right, for installing it onto this 4 screw holes here. Now this 4 screw holes didn't come standard, right? These are screw holes that we made because somebody wanted to install this top crown stem riser adapter. Okay, so this is one option. Now, of course, if you choose this option, then we would recommend that this part be cut off. It's fairly easy to be cut, right? You just need an angle grinder to cut this steering stem off. Okay, or else you want to, if that's not an option for you, because you don't like that high riser Harley style riding handlebar, right? You could just go ahead and fit on a bicycle stem adapter.
Yeah, I just have to loosen this. It will fit.
So fit on this bicycle stem adapter, and you can fit on any style of handlebar that you want. Okay, because these are standard, the 5.4 hole diameter. Okay. Or else, if you want something that's higher, okay, then you will need a stem extender, which we'll show you right here. Now you have that remaining center pole sticking up. This stem adapter or extender would simply slot. These are just extension rings, spacers, right? That would just slot over that center pole, and you have this clamp, this stem clamp, which would then which you can use your stem adapter to clamp onto, right? So this would raise the entire profile of your handlebar, making it more comfortable to ride for yourself, right? So this stem adapter comes as a kit, which you can find it on our website or pretty much anywhere else. Okay, this is a very standard bicycle part. That's it. So if you have any questions, just drop a comment down below. Let us know what you think of this dual crown fork. And thank you for watching. Subscribe and comment. Thank you.